Hey guys, welcome. We're doing our circle review video 2. We got 2 problems right here. We got 2 more. They're all straight from the test, so let's get to it. We're trying to solve for x here, and we have a picture. We get 56 here, 182 here, and ACD, which is this length all the way around there, is given to us. So, in fact, ACD is this segment here. What you notice is we have the full circle, so we want to keep using the fact that the full circle is 360, half the circle is 180, so we really just need to add all this together and set it equal to 360 and go ahead and solve, okay? So I'm gonna, can we zoom in once? I think that's a little bit nicer, there we go. So we get 25 plus 56 plus 182. Subtract that from 360, that gives us 2x equals 97, divide by 2, and we're going to get about x equals 48.5 for our answer. Okay? Again, these questions are straight problems that you'll see on the test potentially tomorrow. Or I mean, not tomorrow, on Friday. 10 here, 10 here. They're radius, so we know they're congruent, these segments. So we can use Pythagorean theorem. I'm sorry, I didn't write it out, but the problem would state that this is tangent. Tangent create 90 degrees. So we're going to get 10 squared plus x squared equals 18 squared. And we're going to get 324, 100 plus x squared. Subtract that. And x squared is going to equal 224. And then we can go ahead and take the square root of 224. And we're going to get x to be approximately 14.96, very close to 15. And here we go. Last 2 questions. This is find the area of the shaded sector. So 360 is the whole thing. So if I took 360, subtract 60, we're looking at 300 degrees. So the area of a sector, very important equation we need to know, that's going to be the measure over 360 times, I forgot to write it in the problem, but this is supposed to be a 5 for our radius, so we have to have that. And that's going to be pi 5 squared, r squared. Okay, so you set it up just like that. So 300 divided by 360 is also known as 5 over 6 times, that's 25 pi. And we can go ahead and multiply those together. And we're going to get roughly 20.83 repeating pi as the area of the sector. This last one's probably the most difficult one, so we'll spend the most time on this one. Okay, so TR is a diameter right here. It goes through the center P. That means TLR, this bigger angle here, is going to form 90. So if I add 15 degrees, that tells me this whole angle right there. Okay, then I'm just going through and I'm going to fill in some stuff I know. 62, this arc right here. If we go inward towards the angle, we should get this angle, which is 31 degrees. And to find this angle here, we can actually find that. That's going to be 75 plus 31 plus x equals 180. And so if we do our math on that guy, we should get 74 degrees here. This is a straight line, and these are vertical, so there's going to be a 74 degrees over here, and that's 62 opening up to there, so that's going to be also 31 degrees. And if that's 31, this has to be 75 degrees. Again, 74, 31, 75, 75, 31, 74, so these 2 triangles are congruent. So 74, 74, then what would add to make 180? That would be 106. And then we can find this angle here. It's not opening up to a diameter, so it's not going to be 15, but 15 plus 106 plus x will equal 180. Okay, so we get 15 plus 106, subtract from 180, and we get 59 degrees. Now with all this information, hopefully we can come up with some arcs. So the first one is SR, this arc right here. Well, this is pretty easy. See how 75 is shooting out to it? So SR, we're going to double it, and we get 150. LR is over here. Notice we go into the arc, it's 59, so we double 59. That's going to give us, I believe, 118. LRT means we need to get all of this, so we need to know this angle here. Okay. Well, we have basically every piece except for that piece TS, so we can actually add all those pieces together. 62 plus 118 plus 150 plus TS should equal 360. So we're left with 30 degrees left here, so TS is 30. I want LRT, so LRT is going to be this plus this plus this, so it's going to be 118 plus 150 plus 30. And we're going to get 298. And those are our final answers. All right, guys. Peace out.